Tracking daily merchant deposits and reconciling them with your bank account can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Docyt's Revenue Center solves this problem by providing an effortless integration with your PMS system. With Docyt, you have access to an overview of your revenue generated from various payment processors, including outstanding amounts that are yet to be deposited. This makes monitoring your accounts receivable at the start of any period easy, with a breakdown of total earnings from cash, check, and merchant credit card processors, as well as a view of deposits that are made into your bank account. At the end of each month, you can see the total outstanding revenue that has been earned but is still waiting to be deposited. With Docyt's direct integration, you have complete visibility of your revenue streams. Get started now and experience hassle-free revenue tracking.